10 best things to do in Lake Lure, North Carolina. 1. Climb Chimney Rock's iconic peak. Start your Lake Lure adventure at Chimney Rock State Park, home to one of the region's most recognizable landmarks. The massive granite monolith rises high above Hickory Nut Gorge and offers spectacular panoramic views of Lake Lure and the surrounding mountains. You can reach the top using the elevator when operating or challenge yourself on the stairs and trails. The views from Chimney Rock are absolutely breathtaking, especially on a clear day. You can also explore the Hickory Nut Falls Trail, which leads through a beautiful forest toward one of the area's most impressive waterfalls. Bring your camera, because this is one of the most spectacular viewpoints around Lake Lure. Check current park conditions and entry requirements before visiting. 2. Cruise beautiful Lake Lure. Next, experience the beauty of Lake Lure from the water with a scenic boat tour. A guided cruise is a relaxing way to see the mountains, forests, and beautiful homes surrounding the lake. As you glide across the calm water, your guide can share stories about the area's history and point out famous locations connected with the movie Dirty Dancing. The reflections of the surrounding mountains on the lake create an unforgettable scene. You can also look for special evening cruises for a more romantic experience. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or someone special, getting out on the water is one of the best ways to experience Lake Lure. 3. Walk across the Flowering Bridge. Take a peaceful walk across the Lake Lure Flowering Bridge. This former highway bridge has been transformed into a beautiful community garden filled with flowers, plants, shrubs, and creative garden displays. Volunteers maintain the gardens, making this attraction a wonderful example of community spirit. You can slowly walk across the bridge, admire the colorful plants, take photographs, and enjoy views of the surrounding area. It is a particularly pleasant place for a quiet morning or afternoon walk. The bridge is easy to explore and makes a great stop for families, couples, and photographers. Best of all, visiting the Flowering Bridge is free. 4. Relax at Morse Park. Spend some time relaxing at Morse Park along the shores of Lake Lure. This scenic community park is an excellent place for families and anyone who simply wants to slow down. You can enjoy the beautiful lake and mountain views while having a picnic beneath the trees. Children can use the playground, while adults can relax in the open spaces and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The park also hosts community events, concerts, and festivals at different times of the year. Bring some snacks, find a comfortable place to sit, and enjoy the fresh mountain air. It is an easy and relaxing way to experience Lake Lure without needing a full day of hiking. 5. Kayak or paddleboard on the lake. Get active and explore Lake Lure by kayak, canoe, or stand-up paddleboard. The relatively calm waters make the lake a beautiful place for paddling while surrounded by mountains. You can slowly explore the shoreline, discover quiet areas, and enjoy views that are difficult to experience from land. Early mornings can be especially peaceful when the water is calm and the mountains are reflected on the surface. If you're visiting during warm weather, you can also consider renting a pontoon boat for a more leisurely day on the water. Bring sunscreen, water, and your camera because the scenery is spectacular from every direction. 6. Hike Buffalo Creek and Rumbling Bald. Put on your hiking shoes and explore the trails around Buffalo Creek Park and Rumbling Bald. Buffalo Creek offers wooded trails where you can enjoy a quieter side of the Lake Lure area. Rumbling Bald is particularly popular with outdoor enthusiasts because of its rugged landscape, hiking opportunities, and impressive rock formations. The area is also known for rock climbing, making it a favorite destination for adventurous visitors. You can choose a trail that matches your experience and fitness level. Before heading out, check current trail conditions because mountain weather and storm recovery can affect access. These trails are an excellent way to experience the natural beauty beyond the lake. 7. Explore Chimney Rock Village. Take some time to explore the charming village at the entrance to Chimney Rock State Park. The small community has an old-fashioned mountain town atmosphere with local shops, restaurants, gift stores, and places to grab a sweet treat. You can browse for souvenirs, look for locally made crafts, or simply walk along the village streets and enjoy the scenery. After hiking at Chimney Rock, this is a great place to relax and recharge. Grab an ice cream, enjoy a meal, or find a unique gift to remember your trip. The combination of mountain scenery and friendly local businesses gives Chimney Rock Village plenty of character. 8. Discover Dirty Dancing movie locations. Explore the movie history that made Lake Lure famous around the world. The area was one of the filming locations for the classic movie Dirty Dancing, and fans can discover several places connected with the film. You can learn about filming locations around the lake and surrounding communities, while enjoying the scenery that appeared on screen. If you visit during the annual Dirty Dancing Festival, you'll find an even bigger celebration featuring music, dancing, contests, and activities inspired by the movie. It is a fun experience even if you're not a huge movie fan, because it adds another fascinating layer to Lake Lure's story. 9. Taste local food and mountain flavors. Take a break from sightseeing and enjoy the local food scene. Restaurants around Lake Lure and nearby Chimney Rock Village offer everything from classic Southern comfort food to casual American dishes and mountain-inspired meals. You can enjoy lunch after a morning hike or find a restaurant with outdoor seating and beautiful views. The relaxed atmosphere makes dining here part of the Lake Lure experience. Be sure to check local restaurants and current opening hours before you visit, especially outside the busy summer season. After a day of hiking, boating, and exploring, a satisfying local meal is the perfect way to recharge. 10. Take a scenic mountain drive. Finally, take a scenic drive through the mountains surrounding Lake Lure. The roads around the area offer beautiful views of forests, cliffs, valleys, and the Blue Ridge Mountains. You can combine your drive with a visit to nearby Hendersonville or other mountain communities. During autumn, the scenery becomes especially spectacular as the forests turn shades of red, orange, and gold. You can stop at overlooks, explore small towns, or simply enjoy the winding mountain roads. A scenic drive is the perfect way to finish your Lake Lure adventure and appreciate the incredible landscape that surrounds this charming North Carolina destination.